Hi guys, we welcome to Smartphone Tech, the #1 smartphone techniques channel where we post videos on what your Android or smartphone is capable of doing. In this video, we'll be learning how to verify your YouTube channel account and add custom link with your smartphone for free. Please, after watching this video, make sure you click on the subscribe button and notification bell to see more of our videos from Smartphone Tech. Also, don't forget to like and share after watching this video. Thank you. Your YouTube account and add custom thumbnails. We'll be using Chrome. So this is the home page of the Chrome browser, and remember, desktop site. Now we are clicking on YouTube now. And always make sure your YouTube account is signed in. Now you're gonna click on the icon which shows your account is signed in. Now it's loading. Now you can see the YouTube Studio icon and you're gonna click on it. Now it's loading. You can see the go to video analytics. You are gonna click on the go to video analytics. Now you can see the pencil icon, which means edit video, and we are gonna click on the edit video icon. Now it's showing us the video details, and you can see this upload thumbnail, and you can click on it. Now you can see verify and learn more. Choose the thumbnail that best represents your video. To be able to add custom thumbnail, your account needs to be verified and in good standing. And you can see the verify button, and you can click on it. Verify button. Now is loading. Now you'll be asked to select your country, but now I've entered my phone number, and you can click on the submit button, and you'll be waiting for a 6-digit verification code to verify your account. Now I've received the code, and now you can enter the code 910805. And you can click on the submit button to continue. Now your account is verified, and you can go back to your YouTube Studio to add custom thumbnail. Now this is the YouTube Studio, and you can upload a custom thumbnail now. Now let's reload. Now it's loading. Now we are reloading it. Now you can add your custom thumbnail. It's still loading. Now you can see the course upload thumbnail icon is now visible. Now when you click on it, you'll be asked to select an image. Now let us browse. You can click on the browse. Remember, you must know where your image is. Now I've uploaded my custom thumbnail and I've verified my account. Now you can click on the save button to continue. Now you can see changes saved. Now it means we have verified our account and we've added our custom thumbnail. Thank you. One more thing before we go, please click on the subscribe button below and enable the notification button to see more of our updates and more of our future videos from Smartphone Tech. It's free to subscribe. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye.